This podcast is for informational and educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any peptide, supplement, or performance protocol. Welcome back to another episode. Today we are diving into peptides that are especially powerful for men. Whether you're focused on energy, recovery, hormone support, fat loss, muscle building, sexual performance, or just feeling better overall, peptides can be a game changer. So let's take a slow, deep breath together and get into the details of what men can use, why they work, and how they might help you feel stronger, sharper, and more confident. Let's start with the classic category: growth hormone secretagogues. These are peptides that tell your body to release its own growth hormone in short, natural pulses. The big three in this group are CJC129.5, ipamorelin, and tesamorelin. For men dealing with slowing metabolism, stubborn belly fat, poor sleep, or longer recovery times, these three are extremely effective. CJC129.5 helps restore the natural rhythm of growth hormone release. When men reach their 30s and 40s, growth hormone drops dramatically. That leads to more body fat, less muscle, and lower recovery. CJC helps restore what you already have without overstimulation. It is gentle, but powerful. Ipamorelin is often paired with CJC. Ipamorelin is one of the cleanest, calmest growth hormone boosters. It does not raise cortisol. It does not cause hunger spikes. It does not cause big swings. Men like it because it helps with recovery, deeper sleep, better skin, and sometimes even mild increases in libido. When you combine it with CJC, the synergy is strong. Then we have tesamorelin. Tesamorelin specifically targets visceral fat. That is the deep abdominal fat behind the muscle wall. For men with a stubborn belly, love handles, or metabolic resistance, tesamorelin can be one of the most effective fat-targeting peptides available. Many men report smaller waistlines, more energy, and better morning motivation after using it consistently. Now, let's talk about peptides for strength and muscle building. The first one is MOS-C. MOS-C is a mitochondrial peptide that increases energy production inside the cell. Men often say it helps with stamina, endurance, and overall drive. If you lift weights, do cardio, or just want a stronger baseline energy throughout the day, MOS-C is one of the most reliable peptides for men in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond. Another favorite is BPC-157. This is a healing peptide, but it also helps men train harder because it accelerates recovery from micro tears, old injuries, and inflammation. Men with shoulder issues, knee pain, or elbow pain often see major improvement with BPC. Because it repairs tissue, many men can lift heavier and return to workouts faster. Alongside BPC is TB-500. This peptide focuses on reducing inflammation and promoting tissue repair. It helps increase mobility and flexibility, especially for men who have years of hard training, sports injuries, or repetitive strain. When BPC and TB-500 are combined, men often feel like their body unlocks, allowing more intense and productive workouts. Let's shift into peptides for sexual performance and libido. One of the most well-known is PT-141. PT-141 activates the melanocortin system and supports natural arousal. Men often report stronger libido, improved confidence, and increased sensitivity. It works on desire rather than blood flow, which makes it extremely effective for men who want a boost without needing medication. For blood flow itself, there is a peptide called vasodilation peptide, or VIP. It helps open blood vessels and improve circulation. Some men report better performance, more stamina, and stronger erections. It is not a replacement for medications, but it can work beautifully with lifestyle improvements and hormone support. Next, let's talk about peptides for brain function and stress control. CMAX is one of the strongest cognitive peptides. It helps with memory, mental clarity, focus, and stress resistance. Men dealing with work stress, racing thoughts, or mental fatigue often feel calmer, sharper, and more organized when using CMAX. C-Link is similar, but more calming. It reduces anxiety and social stress without sedating you. Many men like to use C-Max in the morning for focus and C-Link in the evening for calmness and emotional balance. When combined, they create a mental performance window where you feel alert, stable, and grounded. There is also dihexa. Dihexa is a powerful cognitive peptide that supports long-term synapse formation. Many men describe improved verbal fluency, better problem-solving, and smoother mental processing. It is often used by entrepreneurs, high performers, and men who want a sharper mind as they age. Now, let's move to peptides for hormones and metabolic health. Kisspeptin-10 is a peptide that supports natural testosterone production by stimulating the hypothalamic pathway. Some men experience small to moderate increases in testosterone, improved fertility, and better hormonal signaling. It is not a replacement for hormone therapy, but it may give a very helpful boost. Another metabolic peptide is AOD9604. This is known as the fat-burning fragment. It helps regulate fat metabolism without stimulating appetite or cortisol. Men use AOD to help burn stubborn fat while maintaining muscle. It is especially helpful for midsection fat that does not move easily. For inflammation and gut health, KPV is a small but powerful peptide. It helps regulate inflammation, improve digestion, and calm the immune system. Men with gut issues, food sensitivities, or inflammatory conditions often feel better, have more steady energy, and experience better nutrient absorption when using KPV. Now, let's talk about longevity and anti-aging peptides for men. One of the most researched is ipidolon. Ipidolon supports telomere length, improves sleep cycles, and may help regulate the aging process. Many men say they sleep deeper, recover faster, and feel more youthful after a cycle. Another longevity peptide is GHK-Cu. This peptide helps with skin quality, hair health, tissue repair, and inflammation control. Men often notice better skin tone, improved collagen, and faster healing from cuts or injuries. NAD+ peptides and NAD precursors also support cellular health and mitochondrial function. Many men feel more energy, better recovery, and sharper mental function. NAD helps with detoxification, aging, and overall energy production. Now, let's talk about combination strategies. Many men choose a simple stack. 1 peptide for energy, 1 for muscle, 1 for recovery, and 1 for sexual health. A common example would be CJC paired with ipamorelin, BPC-157, MOS-C, and PT-141. This combination supports fat loss, strength, recovery, and libido all at once. Another stack is focused purely on performance. MOS-C for energy, tesamorelin for abdominal fat, BPC for injuries, and C-Max for brain clarity. This is great for men who want sharper thinking, more endurance, and a leaner body. For men focused mainly on libido and confidence, a stack like PT-141, VIP, and Kisspeptin can be powerful. PT helps with desire. VIP helps with blood flow. Kisspeptin helps with hormonal signaling. Men who want a calmer mind often pair C-Max and C-Link. C-Max boosts focus and memory. C-Link calms stress, social anxiety, and emotional overwhelm. Together they feel smooth and balanced. Let's talk lifestyle for a moment. Peptides work best when men also get good sleep, stay hydrated, lift weights, move their body, and reduce stress. Peptides are not magic. They amplify the foundation you already have. If your sleep improves, testosterone improves. If your recovery improves, muscle building improves. If your stress goes down, metabolism works better. Everything connects. Men often ask how long it takes to feel results. Many peptides work quickly. PT-141 can work within hours. C-Max can work within minutes to hours. BPC works within days. Growth hormone peptides like CJC, ipamorelin, and tesamorelin take weeks, but produce powerful long-term changes. Longevity peptides like ipidolon take cycles to show results, but can create deep improvements in overall health, vitality, and aging. There is one more important point. Peptides are tools. They help you optimize what your body is already capable of doing. They are not meant to replace healthy habits. They magnify them. A well-selected peptide protocol can help men feel more confident, more energized, more driven, and more in control of their physical and mental performance. This podcast is for informational and educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always speak with a qualified healthcare professional before using any peptide. Thanks for listening, keep learning, and stay curious.